Hi guys, so welcome back. We're doing another photo shoot and it's a studio photo shoot. Ali is with me today. She's going to be my model. I am my own makeup and hair artist because sometimes you gotta do things by yourself. So today we're going with a natural kind of makeup look, but the clothes are kind of strong, I guess you can say, and shiny. Yeah. For the first outfit, we went with an all-black look to contrast with the white background. The flowy pants were a really big help in emphasizing movement in my photos. So you can start by swaying your body from side to side first and we'll see what happens. Yeah, keep doing that. Move and down and bend. I asked Ali to do very big movements and weird poses during this shoot because I wanted my photos to turn out differently from what I've done in my other photo shoots. I'm just letting you guys know that I'm having a really hard time. I am very used to doing my photo shoots outside. I don't have that much practice with studio lighting. When it's outdoors, for me it's a lot easier, but for some people, studio is a lot easier for them. So right now it's just a really big learning experience and finding the lights that fit my style and really go well with the outfit that we have. So we're about to do outfit 2. I like this one. It's kind of not the usual outfits that I choose for my outdoor photo shoots. So that's kind of the cool thing of doing indoor shoots. You can do outfits that you can wear in colder environments because we can't really do that outside because we just sweat and then we look bad. I'm very excited for this outfit. I really liked how the second outfit had a Michael Jackson vibe to it. So we decided to play some of his songs during this part of the shoot. It was really fun and it helped a lot with our movements and poses. I think that's a wrap. Today I learned that studio photography is really hard. It's hard because you have a blank background. You have to be more creative with your subject. Makeup, style, bring your own props or posing. When I shoot outdoors, you can always change location. You can find things to lean on, stuff like that. So it's a lot easier in a sense. Well, also because I've been practicing with outdoor photography, it's just a lot harder when I come into the studio. But it is a great experience and I believe it will help me a lot, and I hope I get to practice a lot more. I feel like I have so much to learn because there's so many kinds of lighting and there's so many concepts that you can work with. That is also the great thing about studio photography. You can create your own concepts, you can create your own world. I mean, if you have the budget to create it, and so that is kind of like the challenge here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I learn, I hope you guys learn as well. Subscribe and click the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, and if you like this video, like it, but if you don't, share it and maybe it'll help someone else. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!